Good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra. And welcome. How you all doing? Are you all doing all right? Yeah? You sure? Yeah? I'm just checking. Yeah? You sure you're okay? All right. That's good. I'm doing alright. I'm not as tired as I was the other evening when I recorded. I was so tired that day. I don't know what I was doing. I could hardly speak that evening, but I'm much better this evening. It's much earlier, and I'm not so tired. So that is good. I don't know why I was so tired that day because I was actually working from home, but I was still absolutely shattered. But yep, there you go. But much better today, feeling good, I'm alright. Come home, I've cooked, I've had time just to sit down, have a cup of tea. Now I'm just going to film this video. So today I am going to be doing my Glossybox. My Glossybox arrived. It was left outside by the bin, soaking wet box, so I've just kind of left it to dry for a little bit, so it's not so bad. And the box I've got today is variation 4. Wow, how many variations did they have? Okay, so yeah, got a Glossybox today. But you know what I do? Before I open up this month's Glossybox, I'm just going to go through quickly how I got on with the contents of the November's Glossybox. So let's go through that quickly, shall we? So Glossybox, for those of you who don't know, it's a monthly subscription box. It's the sister box to the Look Fantastic, which are all part of the Hut group. This box is a bit cheaper than the Look Fantastic box. You can buy it on a month-to-month basis, and I think if you buy it month-to-month it's £13, £13.50. But if you do what I do, just I sign up for a 12-month subscription, so I can't cancel during that 12 months. So by doing that, the box is a little bit cheaper for me each month, so I pay £11.50 per month. So yeah, it works out that way. Right, let's go through the items. So the first item was from Seattle, London, and it was an illuminating blush shimmer. So again, another product from Seattle, London. They are definitely hitting the subscription boxes this year. They really have hammered home what's going on with Seattle, London. I do not know, but this was quite a nice blush. It looked nice. It was like a kind of a raspberry colour, but it had like a gold shimmer. The difference is though, when it was put on my skin, it's actually very gold with a slight pinky undertone. So it's not something I could use as a blush. It was more of a highlighter with a sort of a rosy kind of undertone. So I have used it once or twice, and it's been very nice as a highlighter. But because I don't wear highlighter that often, I'm not sure how often I'll use it. But it was very nice. Just that on my skin tone, not a blush, it's a highlighter. Second product was from Koishi. It was a large tub of this grapefruit body scrub. I've used it. It's alright. It's nothing special. Yeah, it's literally nothing special, but it's alright. It'll get used. It kind of dissolves really quickly, so it becomes quite watery quite quickly. So it's not as exfoliating as I would like, but it's alright. It'll do the job. Third product was from Basic Beauty. It was tweezers. What can I say? I just remember they gave a really stupid price for it, something like £16 for just these basic sort of under 5 tweezers, and I did put that in the giveaway box. So yeah, nothing more to say. Fourth item was from Molten Brown, and it was sort of travel size of the bergamot and orange body lotion. I have used it. Really nice fragrance, but it's not a very moisturising body lotion. I'm one of those people, I love body lotions. I go all in for body lotions, and I love a good fragrance, but I also want it to be a proper moisturising, hydrating lotion, and I was quite surprised that this wasn't as rich as I thought. So not my favourite when it comes to body lotions, the Molten Brown one. Quite disappointed in that, because their bath shower products are beautiful, but the body lotion quality, a bit disappointed, but I did like the scent. So again, using it, it's not a problem, but it's not, put it like this, I wouldn't buy it. And final product was, I don't know how to pronounce this, but I'm pronouncing as jojoba, and it's like a niacinamide serum. I have been using it, and it's fine. Don't know if it does any good, but I'm using it, so it's all right. So I've kind of used nearly everything in the box apart from the tweezers, which I gave away. So it was a good month last month, and if you just remember, I'm paying sort of £11.50 for the box, so I covered my costs, so it was all right. I'm hoping though that this month's box is going to be really good because it's the final box of the year. It's Christmas. I'm hoping it's a themed box as well, because I was very disappointed with the October box, because October is normally a really good themed box and we didn't get that, so I'm hoping they're going to give it to us this time round. Okay, I've just opened it and I do recognise the decoration for the box because we've had this before. So this is the box this month. Yeah, definitely had this print before, definitely. Have I got it right way around? Yeah, I have. Okay, let's do the leaflets quickly. What have we got in here? So the usual Ocado, HelloFresh, Naked Wines, Tails. Put those away. Okay, let's get into that. I haven't got much power on my battery, which is not great, so my camera battery, so I'm going to be going quickly today. I've got a card, so that's great, so that's good, so let me do that quickly. Okay, right, let's have a look. I'll read the editor's note and then I'll just go straight into the box. So, editor's note: hello Glossies, this December we're bringing you a fabulous special design box. Inside you'll find products crafted to protect your skin from harsh winter weather and get you party ready, with hydrating treats from brands like Figs and Rouge and Esper, plus sparkly eyeshadows for the season celebrations. This box is unforgettable. In this digital magazine, discover a three-step lip care ritual, the perfect winter lip combo, and a his and hers gift guide. Okay, alright, let's just get into it, shall we? Okay, so the story behind the box is Dreamy Winter Days with Glossybox. Okay, so I think that's what they're talking about. But I definitely remember that theme. I'm not mistaken, am I? I'm sure I've seen this before. Sure I have. I'm not going crazy, am I? Alright, so this time we've got... okay, I've seen the first item. Okay, so the first item is this again. This is the second time I've received this year. I can't remember if the first time I received it was Look Fantastic, but definitely got it from Look Fantastic or Glossybox. So just another repeat item, which I'm really disappointed with. It's a nice product, but it's a repeat item. It's not new. So it's from Esper. They're saying it's a full size. Bergamot and Jasmine body wash. Recommended retail price is £10. Again, I like it, I enjoy it, but we've had this before, and it wasn't even that long ago. Definitely within the last 6 months, we've had this and we've had the body lotion, and you get it in between Look Fantastic and Glossybox. So, you know, I probably got this body wash in a Look Fantastic box, so now we're getting it in the Glossybox. Disappointed in that because they're both the same companies, and it's like, come on guys, give us something new, you know, give us something new. Alright, next is from Figs and Rouge. I've had this before as well, but I actually like this, so I don't mind it. This is smooth. This is Figs and Rouge, and it's the Smooth Set Flawless Filter Hydrating Primers. I do like Figs and Rouge's primers. I've had their matte primer, I've had a dewy one, and this is just a hydrating one, and I've liked all of their primers, so I haven't got any issues with that. Their prices do amuse me though. It's very expensive. So yeah, again, they're saying this primer is worth £40.84. Yeah, you can laugh with me because we know it's a joke. I'd go £10, yeah, not £40, but it's a nice primer, so I'm happy with it. So they're saying flawless filter, smooth set hydrating primer. This instant filter effect primer helps shield your complexion from moisture loss, water and environmental pollution, UV rays, blue light and daily screen damage. Formulated to keep makeup fresh and flawless, it blends with hyaluronic acid to strengthen and smooth your skin tone. Enriched with plant seed oils along with peach and apricot extracts, it gives your skin extra bounce and a radiant peachy glow. So this is more like skincare rather than a primer, but it's got primer properties just to help make your makeup look decent, but it's got a lot of skincare properties, so probably that's why that's boosted up the price. But yeah, looking forward to trying that out. So okay, it's cool. So first two products I can definitely use, so I'm not upset about that. Okay, the next, I think the next product was a product we could choose. So you could choose, they gave us 3 choices of eyeshadows, if I believe correctly. So you could get a powder one. You could get a powder one from, what was the brand? I think the brand was, yeah, it says here Tease Cosmetics, and it was a powder eyeshadow. All the eyeshadows were sort of goldy bronzy colour, which is the sort of standard shades we get from the subscription boxes. So if you got the Tease Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, which is like a little square cardboard box with a round disc of an eyeshadow, recommended retail price for that was £13. If you got the DWTN, which I always think is downtown Paris, it was a liquid eyeshadow, again full size, and the retail value for that is £18.72. I chose the Lottie London one. I actually chose the cheapest one of the 3, but it's the one I know I'd get most use out of. And it's the Powerful Metallic Eyeshadow, which is only valued at £6.95. So yeah, I chose the cheapest one, but I know this is the one I would probably use. And I believe it's a sort of a goldy bronzy colour, which again, I don't mind wearing that shade. I just didn't like the look of the other 2 colours. They looked a little bit too brassy for me. Yeah, so this is what that colour's like. So I know I'll be able to wear that one quite successfully, so that's okay. I'm going to just show you what it looks like on me. It's a bit of a mess, but yeah, that's what the colour looks like on me. So it's not too brassy, so I can work with that. So that's nice. I mean, I can actually wear that every day. So again, no issues with that. So at least I'll use it. It might be the cheapest one, but I can use it. So for me, that's a win. Then you've got from So Eco again, and we've got no crease hair clips. I have no use for this because I'm wearing my hair short, but my daughter might want it, or Kayla might want it. These little hair clips are actually quite popular. I know people like them. So this is from So Eco, no crease clips, and it's valued at £3.99. Let me show you these clips. They are very popular. So there you go. So it's nice. They're nice. That's what they look like. So either my daughter will take that, or we'll go to Kayla. But they're sweet enough. They're nice. I won't use it, but that's all good. And the final item in the box is from Wild Science Labs. This is a brand I used to get quite a lot of in the Birchbox before I stopped them. So this is a deluxe size, and it's a Juice Boost Brightening Serum. So Juice Boost Brightening Serum is designed to reduce the appearance of dark spots for radiant, healthy looking skin, powered by stabilised vitamin C to improve the look of hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone, while also reducing pore size and treating apparent signs of aging, such as dullness, dryness and premature lines and wrinkles. 91.4% naturally derived ingredients. This is vegan and cruelty free. Recommended retail price is £14. So I have to admit, everything I've had from Wild Science Lab I haven't used, because it's just been products I haven't wanted to use. And again, I've received products when I used to get the Birchbox, but I think I'll keep this one and I'll give this one a go. So, and it's a deluxe size, so value £14. Again, niacinamide, vitamin C, those are things that my skin likes, so I will definitely use it. This month's box, so that's it. I don't know why. I'm disappointed in this box, actually. I'm actually quite disappointed. I'm going to use this product, that's fine, this is good. It's good for the skin, so no issues with that. The primer, I think my favourite product is actually the primer. Yeah, because I know it's got skin properties, and I know Figs and Rouge's primers are really good. And I'm one who has to wear a primer because I'm so oily skinned. My makeup will just slip and melt off within a couple of hours, so I have to wear a primer just to give my makeup some lasting power at least. So I'm pleased with that. Don't know about the value of it, but I'm pleased about receiving that. I'm going to give this a go. I'm actually alright with the eyeshadow because the shade is okay. It's something that I will use which hand did I put it on? Yeah, that hand. This is the shade that I'll use. Just disappointed that I happened to choose the cheapest one, but that was my choice. It's fine. Really disappointed that we've got this again. But again, I'm saying that as someone who subscribes to Look Fantastic. So, you know, so for me, the two boxes are just the same. But again, this is a product I will use, so I'm happy with it again. And actually, the fragrance will work well with that Molten Brown body lotion I was talking about. But yeah, I like it. I've used it before, so that's fine. So again, I will use it. All the products I will use. The only product I won't use is the clips, but I'll give that to my daughter or Kayla. So 4 out of 5 products I will use. Not that excited about them, but I will use. And this one I will give to the girl, one of the girls. But yeah, this is my favourite product, I would say. But yeah, you guys, you tell me what you think. What do you think about this box? A little bit disappointed, actually. I'm not wowed. Not wowed. But again, I'm only paying £11.50. So let me shut up and appreciate what I got. Because at least most of these products I can use and I'm getting my value. So yeah. But yeah, you tell me what you think. Just to let you know, I have done the giveaway announcement, and I have announced my new giveaway, so it's up to you to go and check which video it is the giveaway video. And I have got the giveaway I've got going at the moment. It ends next Friday, which is, what's the date next Friday? Next Friday is the 13th of December. So that's when this giveaway, which I'm doing now, it's a very short time period. So all you got to do is make sure you go to the giveaway video, follow the instructions on there, but most importantly, make sure you are a public subscriber so I can see that you're a public subscriber, and that's it. And I'll be announcing the giveaway winner next Saturday, which is the 14th of December, because I want to get this one out before Christmas if possible. This giveaway is only for the UK and Europe only, so I hope that's all right. Again, it's because of postage and time and everything. I want to get everything out before Christmas, and I know if I was to do this international, you guys wouldn't be seeing it until the new year at some point, depending on where, and it would probably cost a fortune for me to post out as well. Gotta keep those costs down, so it's just going to be UK and Europe for now. Alright, and I think that's it. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. I have kept it short, mainly because of my camera battery running out. But yeah, give me a thumbs up down below. Do leave a comment down below as well, because it helps with the algorithms. And subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you want to enter my giveaways, please, please, please make sure you are a public subscriber. Alright, when I last looked, my subscriber count was, oh gosh, what was it? 3,893, 4. I still just want to get to that 4,000. I've been looking to get to this 4,000 for the last 2 years. So it would be great if I could get to 3,000 and 3,900. Don't think I'm going to get there by the end of this year, but I would like to get there sort of by the end of January. Is that possible? Maybe, you know, another 20 subscribers and I could get to that 3,900, and then I can work on that final 100 to hit that 4,000. It'll be wonderful. So help a girl out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, that's what you need to do. All right. Oh, final thing. If you're interested in the Glossybox, I have got a link down below. If you do use my link, you'll get a discount off your first box, and I get points which I can use to add to my Look Fantastic account, and eventually I'll have enough sort of points which I can change to money, and that will give me a bit of a discount if I buy something from Look Fantastic. So, you know, hop a girl in her shopping. Alright, I'm going to leave you to it, guys. Have a great evening. Alright, we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.